to another episode of the Chararat Podcast, where we talk about anything and everything under the sun in the most Chararat way possible. Today, we bring fresh perspectives from business owners and professionals who have carved their path to success. I'm Wednesday Tikal, and I'm your host, and today we have a truly special episode for you. Now, before anything else, ato sang i-admire ang lugar, no? Bahalag ulan-ulan. Basta kami kita ng mga peaceful di kayong lugar and very unique ang ilang setup din hi. So, dili na ta magpalangan-langan og ato nang i-welcome ang owner sa Colin Express Station, si Miss Aljen Lian Bernaldez. Yay! Ayan. Hello, ma'am. Thank you so much for your presence today. And before we dive into the discussion, Nol, can you tell us a little bit about your journey? How did you start and what brought you to where you are today?
Okay, so for Colin Express, actually this is my mom's and ang iyang partner ang nag-start aning Colin Express na coffee truck because we noticed here in Cagayan de Oro wala kaayo siya wala pag yun siya coffee truck aside from coffee carts like ng coffee carts no kay katuman tong small na version we only have pick up coffee. Pero di man siya coffee truck. So, among gi-try na why not mag-open og coffee truck kay daghan na sad kaayo coffee shops, cafes para lang maiba. Ano siya ba? And also kay ganahan man sila coffee, mao gid ang ilahang kanang hilig tuha magkape like everywhere, anywhere. So, mao na siyang nag-start. Now, for me, work from home ko before, but because they are working abroad, mo na siyang naka-decide na lang gyud mi na why not mag-resign na lang ko sa ako ang job ug ako na lang motutok diri while wala pa sila here. Dayon, for my journey, dili siya easy because wala gyud ko'y experience sa coffee, mag-coffee making, wala ko'y idea on how to make it, on how to magpalago og business or mag-market online, wala gyud ko'y idea. So everything is from scratch. Dayon daghan gyud hilak-hilak moment. So, muna siya pero we've been here for 8 months. So far, so good. Dili, at least dili lang gyud mi ka zero. Mao lang gyud namong goal. And to be more known lang gyud sa people.
Sige,
Mao
ma'am.
lang.
Murag brave kay si ma'am, no? Kayang giako ang responsibility, no? Bisag dili, I mean, like, dili kay siya, like, sayon gid mag-start og business na never pa ka naka-experience. Pero aside from that, more, unique pud kay lahang setup here kay, dili siya same gid sa uban nga shops and ana, but simple siya na truck, pero murag
Yeah.
peaceful ra pud kayong surrounding. So, ano siya, ma'am? Can you talk more about it?
So for the coffee truck, mainly ang inspiration gud ana is kana bitong unsa man na siya kanang sa kabayo, muna siya
Kalesa?
mag-transport. Dili sad siya kalesa but ah, more on sa farms siya usually makita kana
Ah.
mag-transport og mga horse. Dayon on Pinterest mao ilang gihimo nga kanang basehan lugar nila from Pinterest kay mao man gyud ang ato ang source usually for inspiration karon Pinterest. And then ila din ning gipahimo kay wala man gyud inani na baligya, ilang gipahimo di na lang nako i-disclose kung asa. And then yeah, gibiyahe pa gyud na diri sa Cagayan de Oro. After mahimo siya, dayon unsa pa ba? For the coffee, amo pa tud lang gina-establish ang amo ang kanang recipes gyud kay we are very new pa man. So nagi times na okay ang menu for other people then napoy uban na dili kaayo siya halinon. So gina-establish pa gyud namo unsang gusto sa people na mao gyud ang among i-stick sa among menu. Ano siya.
Fascinating kayo, ma'am. So, Unsa imong biggest challenges so far, ma'am? Ever since na gano'n ka ani
Biggest
manage?
challenges sa amua is ang location mainly kay sudlunon dahil not everyone knows where Lane 101 is. Although daghan naman gyud kaayo shops here pero dili gyud kaayo katud ang people here uptown. So mao sad na siya ang isa gyud nako ka challenge. Isa pa is unsa pa ba? Weather, like today, pag ulan ay ingani gid kami nga mura gid may ghost town diri so wala gyud tao na maengganyo bitaw magkape, wala koy mamisita here, ano kay wala sad may seating arrangement. And then, another challenge is daghan mi silingan na coffee shops. Like ang likod namo is rising na pud siya na cafe na established na gid kaayo pod here in Cagayan de Oro. Tapos, um, wala kayo may variety on food, more on drinks. So, sometimes kung mangita og mga people of food, makaingon na ko, "Ay saan siya nawala sa good make food for now." Though naami waffles pero something to work on, something to improve on here sa coffee truck ang food yun. Yes.
Pero unsa inyong ano, ma'am, unsa inyong ginabuhat to like murag ma-solve ana siya problem kanang
Solve. Well, kung sa amo ang setup here, naami gibutang na tent para lang malingkuran siya sa likod.
Hmm.
And also here, nami kining payong para sa weather. For para ma-known ni here, more on marketing lang gyud po online and then word of mouth. Kanang sa mga friends, mga chika-chika lang, "Uy, recommend me ana-ana." Ingana lang man ka-easy, wala ko'y major na nahimo like mag-attend o kana bitaw mga fair. Wala pa mi ka-try because maglisod pa mi og delegate sa people kay mabahin man mi, tulo ra man mi kabuok. Dayon kung mabilin ang isa here, dapat na ituha didto. So wala pa mi kasabot gid ana pero hopefully next year maka-appeal na mi ana para mas maka-ano bitaw sila na, naaday coffee shop dira sa taas."
i-consider ninyong i-STT, ma'am.
Di ay, medyo layo mong good no? Pero let's see, let's see. Let's see.
Kaduog ba to guys? Dapat yun yung i-share ilang page ha. Bantay lang mo after
Yes,
ani.
yes.
Ikaw ay. So, yan lang. So, how do you see these challenges evolving in the next 5 to 10 years, ma'am?
Hopefully dili na gyud siya as big of a problem for us. Hopefully by then naka-ano na gid mi og roots here in Cagayan de Oro and also maka-establish og friendship among the community sa coffee. Kay for now dili pa kayo ko familiar with the other kanang mga cafes gani na mga ang owners bale. Kay it's good man good sometimes when you talk to other business owners, especially in the coffee industry here in Cagayan de Oro kay mas daghan mas labalan, especially pag dugay na sila here and you're still very new. So, it's good to know mga inana na people, maka-give sila insight and advice and whatever. Pero as an introvert, mao akong problem kay sometimes maulaw gid kog approach sa ilahan no and then so the most na I can do is mag-support lang gyud sa ila hapon locally dili man ako refrain ang akong self in just kanang ako alang gid na copy ang akong imnon. So yeah, support local lang gyud and then observe na lang for now kung sa ilahang setup ano. Pero hopefully by then ma-known na gid me hopefully. That's great. Yes.
Okay, additional question.
Mm.
Kanang as an owner, what is your like memorable experience so far?
Memorable experience here. Kanang yung Vibo, usually pag Vibo me here, mo gid ang pinaka-nice na experience kay dili me maka-sit down. Although kapoy, pero it's good na maka-try bitaw ang other people nga samo ang gina-offer and then mag-pray lang dahil mi na ilahang i-recommend. Na, nice na siya na experience for us. And also, pag moingon ang customer na kanang lamigid inyo diri ay ten barato ra nice na siya na but lagi times na not so good days pero laban lang. Laban
Laban lang.
yun
Laban lang
sa-
yun. Ayan.
Yes.
Ano? So yeah, very powerful kayong imong insights, ma'am. No? So for our listeners na who are listening ani nga episode, ma'am, unsay imong kanang ga-aspire na mag-follow sa imong footsteps or mag-start ani nga business, unsa ang advice imong mahatag?
My advice, kini siya na advice kay ki-advise ra pud sa ako before. Especially if you're an introvert and you like to be in your comfort zone a lot. Pag maka-feel gani mo kaba-kaba on your next, kung unsa imong next na gusto i-risk, kung maka-feel kag kaba, good na kabaha, dili bad. Kung good siya na kaba, just go for it. Okay, sometimes you never know good what you will experience o unsa ang imong challenges na ma-take kung dili nimo siya i-risk. And then mas daghan ka ma-learn outside really. Pag wala ka sa imong comfort zone, kay all the more na ka sa imong comfort zone, the more ka dili mo grow, dira lang ka stagnant. So, just try new things lang yun, especially when you're young. And then, kung afraid ka, it's normal. Sa pa ba? And also, don't forget to have fun. Kana gyud ang advice ako. Have fun, kanang be thankful kung unsa ang imong challenges na nakatake karon because kung wala kay challenge meaning di ka grow, diba? Ingon sila.
Very good. Kada kayong advice ni ma'am. Last na ma'am, kanang unsa imong gusto? I mean, i-promote ang imong business ilaha.
Okay, so hi, we are here in Lane 101 Uptown. We are a coffee truck here in Cagayan de Oro, very local, and I hope you can visit us here. We are open Mondays to Saturdays, 9 o'clock till 6 p.m. only, but we are also trying to improve our time. Hopefully by next year open na mi until late in the evening. Yes. So, mga pinatagas.
Ayan. Thank you so much, ma'am, sa mga mahilig magkape.
Yes.
Here naman sa Colin Express Station. Ayan.
Kape.
And to our listeners, thank you for tuning in.
Yes.
If you enjoyed the episode, make sure to follow us on Spotify, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. And also, sa inyo Facebook, ma'am?
We are Colin Express. Very simple, Colin Express on Facebook and also on Instagram.
Ayan. Like and subscribe. Like and
and
share,
follow.
ma'am. Follow.
Yes.
Ayan. And don't forget to like and share. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And until next time, this is Wednesday Tikaw signing off. Stay curious and keep it chararat.
Yay!